Everyone shouts, bull market, the moment stocks rise a little, but is it the real deal? A bull market is when stock prices keep going up, usually by 20% or more from recent lows. But not every bounce is a bull. A real bull market grows stronger over time. Most bull markets start when no one's watching or believing. Big investors quietly start buying when everyone else is still fearful. A real bull market climbs the wall of worries: inflation, elections, war, layoffs. So how do you know it's real? Look for these signs: higher highs and higher lows, volume increases on up days, strong company earnings, sector rotation, FII buying resumes, macros improving, headlines scream new all-time high. But smart money's already exiting. Retail investors often buy at the top, driven by FOMO, not strategy. Ignore the noise. Read the signs. Stay consistent, not emotional. Bull markets reward the prepared, not the panicked. Follow Stick Nation for smart, simple money stories, one stick at a time.